Hey everybody, Chris here. So why is Dogecoin and crypto dumping right now? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And I will be live again Monday afternoon. So we're going to wrap up the day on what's been happening once the stock market opens. I'm recording this before stock market, but we got pre-market numbers. And Nvidia and a lot of tech stocks are all way down because of this DeepSeek thing. What is that? Let's get into it. Let me show you the charts in the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart. We're zoomed out on the daily and we see Doge at 31 cents. That's right, 31.3. We broke down from our symmetrical triangle that we had been tracking. Still not as deep as the leverage sweep that we had back here around December 20th, but still back where we were on January 1st. Yep. We're just even now, along with the dip that we had on the 13th of January. So we are definitely in line with that. Dogecoin is not dead, right? It's not dying. This is what I believe to be more of a temporary thing. It is a pullback, and we'll get into why this has happened. Now we also have Bitcoin dropping. Bitcoin came down to 98K, touched 97.9, and seems to already be recovering a bit from the leverage sweep. Yeah, that's right. A lot of leverage on Bitcoin as well. We were watching that on the live stream on Sunday as Bitcoin was hovering, in this 104 range, and we were looking at all this short liquidity up here, but there was also long liquidity below saying, well, it could go either way. Well, it dumped long, right? Taking out hundreds of millions of dollars of all of those leveraged long trades. Not only that, but there was one trade that was a $98 million trade. A long trade. Somebody put $98 million into a Bitcoin trade and it got liquidated. That's right. And overall, $880 million liquidated. No wonder they wanted to drop the price. So this just gave them a reason. And we've got Bitcoin dips below 99K, Dogecoin risks dropping below 30 cents. It's holding at 31 right now, but overall, this is a downtrend, definitely. But I think it's short. But what caused this? Well, a lot of people are pointing to this, DeepSeek. Right, this is a new Chinese AI open source app that from users that have been using this over the weekend, this thing is better than ChatGPT. And what they're saying is it didn't take as much investment in all of this hardware to create this, like we're seeing with Google's Gemini and Meta and ChatGPT, like all this huge investment in NVIDIA chips and GPUs. And that's the threat. The threat is to tech. And possibly a lot of tech stocks were overvalued because of this, this focus on AI. We even had President Trump with this, the whole AI thing last week saying, we're going to be the best. And then China comes out and says, yeah, well, we got this. So is it an overreaction? We will see. Follow me on X because I do take a look at things that are going on and, tech stocks, crypto getting pummeled pre-market. Fears around China-based OpenAI rival DeepSeek. The concern, DeepSeek reportedly developed its powerful new large language model using far fewer advanced trips than U.S. rivals. But here's what I say. The notion that Meta and others are suddenly going to reverse their billions of dollars being spent on AI infrastructure, mostly powered by NVIDIA chips, seems far-fetched to me. Further, can one even trust the claims of DeepSeek? It's a brand new thing. We don't know. DeepSeek's alleged advances are unlikely to alter the demand backdrop for NVIDIA this year, if at all. In my opinion, this is an overreaction. Prices will be back up within the week. That's what I think we're going to see. But last night, again, I called it out. And we were looking at, this, everyone was freaking out about the prices as they were starting to drop. And Bitcoin is still up for the year. But we see this little bit of like a return and we're like, oh yeah, let's go. I bought some Doge last night. Did you? Did you buy on the dip? Overall, I see this big bull flag with a 125K price target. So this is crypto trading. This is what you get with crypto trading. But the bears are out. No, it's crashing. Doge going to zero. It's like, come on, guys. But yes, the long liquidations are here. We will see what happens. The stock market is going to open. There's going to be immediate drop. Stocks are down pre-market. By the afternoon, they may be back up. This is how these things happen. This front running of this bad news with immediate drops. But this was predicted. CoinGate two days ago had this article saying, well, I mean, you can blame Trump, right? Trump's Solana meme coins, right? Because that kind of started it. We were all hyped up pre-inauguration to have this big run in crypto. And then the Trump token came out. Then the Melania token came out. And it sucked all the liquidity into those. And the inauguration itself was up and down. We had this Dogecoin ETF thing that came out, right? That was good news. But again, that's not going to happen most likely till April. So we have Department of Government Efficiency. We have Doge. The inauguration just was more profit taking and wasn't great. And what this article ended up doing, after talking all about the Trump meme and all of that, is they were looking at the chart and they were saying Doge would need to reclaim and sustain levels above 36 cents. However, Doge risks breaking below immediate support at 35, potential drop to the critical 31 cent support. And that's what it did. So Miles says, look, why is crypto market dipping? Simplified in three main factors. Fears of a tech sell-off following the launch and hype of DeepSeek. So crypto front running as markets are closed. So overnight, crypto had to take the brunt of all of that before stocks started pre-market and then trading later this morning. So crypto is a higher risk beta asset class, so it just got pummeled overnight. Pre-FOMC de-risking. We don't know what's going to happen at the FOMC this week. I kind of think it's going to be a nothing burger, but there's always volatility that happens. And then what's going to happen after Trump's inauguration? Now that that's behind us, we're seeing like what happened with Colombia yesterday, and they were going to take their migrants back and all of that. There's some warning signs about economic reactions to that. So all of that kind of puts us in this kind of tentative space. Ali says, look, the TD sequential presents a buy signal on Doge daily down at 32. But I was like, oh, wait a second here. Didn't Ali just post this the other day at a higher price? And where was that? That's right here. Yes. TD sequential. Oh, that was the Trump. Here's the one. Dogecoin at 35 cents. So at 35 cents, if you followed the TD sequential, you'd have been buying at 35 cents. And now, right below 32 cents, Ali's saying it again. So that's why you can't really trust these indicators, because they don't know what's going to happen. They don't know what's going on. Crypto bubbles are bad. We've got some that are really bad. Fartcoin down 23%, right? Virtuals down 13, Hex 18, Ray 17, XCN 21. So we got some really big ones that are down. So it's not just Dogecoin. It's the whole market is reacting here. And we're going to watch this, and I'll bet that by 4 o'clock when I'm on again, might start at 3 little sooner on live, we'll see that a lot of these will be starting to turn green. But yes, they are down. They are down hard now. So overall, look, Dogecoin, Right now, it's only down 0.41%. 0.41% for the month of January, and this will probably be back in the green by the live stream as well. So all of this, I think, is just kind of this immediate reaction to what's going on, and we are going to start to see recovery through the day. There'll probably be a bit of a dip that will happen when the stock market opens, and I'm still, an hour and a half recording this before the stock market opens. So again, the live stream will come and we'll see how that plays out. But right now, we're starting to see this leveling off, bottom off here, and recovery beginning with Doge. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the dump here? Are you scared? Are you buying? I bought some. I bought more last night just to, do my part to help Dogecoin. Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.